Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to study lesson number 2, adaptation in animals and plants. Animals and birds live in habitats that suit them. The habitats provide them with food, water and shelter. Now what is habitat? Habitat is a specific place or a natural condition in which a plant or animal lives. To survive, animals and plants have to be fit and be able to adapt themselves to their surroundings. Some adaptation features in animals are as follows. Skunk, which squirts a foul-smelling liquid to chase away enemies. Hedgehog have bristles which is used to defend itself. Animals such as lion, tiger, leopard have sharp teeth and claws. Deer, buffalo have horns to protect themselves. Chameleons change their color according to their background. This helps them to hide from their enemies. Next we are going to see about the aquatic animals. Aquatic animals have special features to live in water. For example, fish. The fish has a boat-shaped body that enables it to move through water easily. It has gills through which it breathes. It can stay underwater and breathe the oxygen dissolved in water. Its fins help the fish to swim and the tail fin helps it to change the direction. Next we'll see about crocodiles and frogs. Crocodiles and fish have skin that is covered with scale. Crocodiles and frogs have features situated to live both on land as well as in water. The webbed feet of the frog help it to swim in water and its long hind legs help it to leap around on the land. The frog has a moist skin through which it can breathe in water and lungs through which it can breathe on land. Thus, it is adapted to living both on land and water. Next, we will see about water birds, how they are adapted to the environment. Water birds are also adapted to their living environment. Ducks have webbed feet that help them swim in water. Cranes and herons, which live in marshes and wade in water, have long legs. The wings of the penguin have evolved into flippers that help them to swim.